Do you dream of getting into IIT? Today, we'll break down every step you need to reach your dream college and crack the IIT JEE exam. The pressure and competition are legendary, but with the right strategy and mindset, this dream is absolutely achievable. We'll cover what makes IIT special, the exams, study plans, resources, and the entire admission process. So grab your notebook and let's start your IIT journey together. What exactly are IITs? The Indian Institutes of Technology are India's most prestigious engineering institutions, recognized globally. Founded in the 1950s, IITs have produced world-changing leaders, scientists, and entrepreneurs. The IIT tag opens doors not just in India, but worldwide. What sets IITs apart? It's the culture of innovation, top-notch research, and the incredible peer group. Imagine learning alongside the sharpest minds from across the country. The environment pushes you to grow and dream bigger. Why is getting in so tough? Over 1 million students compete each year, but only a few thousand succeed. The acceptance rate is less than 1%, like winning Olympic gold. The JEE exam is one of the toughest in the world, and for many, an IIT seat is a matter of pride and opportunity. The alumni network and placements are unmatched, making the years of hard work worth it. But you don't have to be a genius. Most IITians are regular students who followed a disciplined strategy and never gave up. If they can do it, so can you. Remember, this journey is about transforming your life and opening doors to endless possibilities. It will shape your character, discipline, and resilience. Just look at IITians like Sundar Pichai and Arvind Kejriwal. Their stories began with a dream, just like yours. Ready to take the first step? Let's talk about the entrance exams you need to crack. The gateway to IIT is through 2 exams, JEE Main and JEE Advanced. JEE Main is the first step, open to all eligible students after Class 12. It tests physics, chemistry, and maths, and is held twice a year. The exam has 90 questions, but you only need to attempt 75. It's computer-based, with multiple choice and numerical questions. Accuracy is crucial due to negative marking. If you rank in the top 2.5 lakh, you qualify for JEE Advanced. JEE Advanced is tougher, focusing on problem-solving and analytical skills. It has 2 compulsory papers covering physics, chemistry, and maths. The pattern and marking scheme change, so stay updated. Eligibility. You must pass Class 12 with PCM, and there are age and attempt limits. Check the latest criteria. Most students get 2 attempts at JEE Advanced in consecutive years. Cracking these exams isn't about memorizing formulas. It's about deep understanding and smart strategy. Practice application-based questions and manage your time well. We'll cover preparation strategies next. In summary, clear JEE Main, then JEE Advanced, each with its own challenges. With the right preparation, you can conquer both. Now let's dive into how to prepare effectively. Your journey starts here. Your journey begins with a solid study plan. If you're in Class 11 or 12, you have the ideal 2-year window. Start by understanding the JEE syllabus and dividing it into monthly goals for physics, chemistry, and maths. NCERT textbooks are your foundation, especially for chemistry. Don't skip them. Once you're comfortable, move to advanced books and coaching material. If you're in coaching, follow their schedule, but prioritize self-study too. Use online platforms like Unacademy, Vedantu, and YouTube for free lectures and doubt solving. Make a habit of solving previous year's question papers to understand the exam pattern. Aim for 6 to 8 hours of focused study during holidays, and 3 to 4 hours on school days. Break study sessions into 1 to 2 hour blocks with short breaks to avoid burnout. Don't ignore school studies. Board marks matter for eligibility. Set weekly and monthly goals, and review your progress regularly. Use weekends for revision and mock tests to track your improvement. Consistency beats intensity. Study a little every day. Stay connected with teachers and mentors, and ask for help when needed. Take care of your mental health. Balance study with hobbies, exercise, and sleep. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at their own pace. A disciplined plan for 2 years puts you ahead of the competition. Every small step counts. Next, let's look at the best resources for your preparation. Let's talk about the best books and resources for JEE. For physics, start with H.C. Verma's Concepts of Physics, then move to D.C. Pandey or Cengage for advanced practice. In chemistry, NCERT is essential, especially for inorganic and organic. For physical chemistry, use OP Tandon or P. Bahadur. Practice organic with MS Chauhan and physical with N. Awasthi. For maths, begin with R.D. Sharma, then use Arihant, Cengage or Tata McGraw-Hill for advanced problems. S.L. Loney is great for coordinate geometry and I.A. Marin for calculus. Previous year's question papers are a goldmine. Analyze them for trends and difficulty. Use mock test series from coaching institutes or online platforms to simulate the real exam. Online resources like Unacademy JEE, Vedantu, and Physics Walla offer free lectures and doubt-clearing sessions. Make your own short revision notes for each chapter. They're invaluable for quick revision. Join online forums or Telegram groups to discuss doubts and tricky problems with peers. Don't collect too many books. Stick to a few trusted ones and revise them multiple times. Quality over quantity always wins. Use resources wisely to strengthen your preparation. Now, let's talk about the mindset and strategy you need to succeed. The right approach can make all the difference. Let's get into it. Ready? JEE is not just a test of knowledge, it's a test of consistency and perseverance. You don't need to be the smartest, you need to stick to your routine, even when motivation is low. Set realistic goals and break the syllabus into manageable tasks. Celebrate every bit of progress. Take regular mock tests to simulate exam pressure and identify weak areas. Analyze your mistakes after each test. This is where real learning happens. Revision is your secret weapon. Revise weekly and do full syllabus revisions before the exam. Stay motivated by reminding yourself why you started. Talk to mentors or friends when you feel low, and visualize your success. Avoid distractions. Limit social media and games, but maintain a healthy balance. Take care of your health. Eat well, exercise, and get enough sleep. Practice mindfulness or meditation if you feel stressed. Remember, it's about never giving up. Thousands of regular students have cracked JEE with determination and hard work. You can do it too. Next, let's see what happens after you clear JEE Main, the road to JEE Advanced. The final stretch is crucial. Let's go. After JEE Main, the next milestone is JEE Advanced. The top 2.5 lakh rank holders in JEE Main qualify for Advanced. The cutoff changes yearly, so aim for a score well above the previous year's cutoff. Shift your strategy. JEE Advanced is more conceptual and application-based. Focus on weak areas, practice high-level problems, and use official mock tests. Time management is crucial. Practice full-length tests under timed conditions. Your advanced rank decides your IIT and branch. Stay focused and don't let pressure get to you. Keep track of registration and exam dates. They come quickly after main results. Don't neglect board exams. They're important for eligibility and confidence. This is the final lap. Give it your best. Once results are out, check your All India rank for counseling. Now, let's see how to secure your IIT seat. Cleared JEE Advanced? The next step is JEE counseling for IIT admission. Register and fill your choices for IITs and branches based on your interests and previous year's closing ranks. Branch selection is as important as the IIT. Choose wisely. Your All India rank and seat availability decide your allotment. JEE conducts multiple rounds. After each, you can freeze, float, or slide your seat. Lock your choices carefully. Once locked, they can't be changed. Confirm your admission by paying the fee and verifying documents. Have all required certificates ready for your category. If you get your dream IIT and branch, congratulations. If not, remember, success isn't limited to one campus. Once admitted, get ready for orientation, hostel life, and new opportunities. This is just the beginning of an exciting journey. Step into your dream college with confidence. The journey to IIT is challenging, but it's one of the most rewarding experiences you'll ever have.